Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how eggplant products are made, from farm fresh harvest to premium finished.
Our automated systems ensure every eggplant is sliced with surgical precision, resulting in perfectly uniform pieces.
We have a slight variance on sanitation levels.
Rerouting UV scrubbers looks good now. All levels green.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how eggplant products are made, from farm fresh harvest to premium products.